Hello friends and welcome back to the DirectX channel. So friends, today we will talk about GX06 mini PC with Core i9 1200H and dedicated GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card. So friend, the G6 mini PC, it's a compact design and powerful through slightly outdated specification, powered by Intel Core i9 1200H processor featuring 14 core and 12 threads, and it delivers clock speed of up to 5 GHz, and the system also equipped with Nvidia GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU and 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB M.2 SSD, ensuring smooth multitasking and sufficient storage for files and applications. And this mini PC is inspiration from Apple Mac Mini. The GX06 feature a raised bottom and side ventilation grill for optimal cooling, and one notable design difference aside from specification in darker color scheme is the placement of the power button on the front and rather than the button like Apple products. So friend, the connectivity ports including HDMI 2.1, 2 DisplayPort 1.4, 4 USB 3.2 Generation 1 port, 2 USB 2.0 port and dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, and USB Type-C port with data and video output, and the power connector, and all ports are located at the back, and wireless connectivity is supported by Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.